Are you a budding developer who wants to get on board into the field of programming? Or are you interested in learning how to program but didn't know where to start? Or have you ever had an idea for an innovation but didn't know how to implement it? Well, with a large number of resources on the internet, it might be a little confusing to know where to begin with. Hence, we've come up with CPP Corner. CPP Corner was built with the hope of being a one-stop platform to cater to all your needs. This platform starts with the very basics of C++. And now a video to show you how this works.
This is the main homepage of our project, C++ Corner. We've included hyperlinks to all our content, so users can quickly access the web page they require if they don't want to go in a specific order. This is the introductory page where we've included some facts about C++ and the history of C++. To access the next web page, we click on this hyperlink. This web page tells us about the basic concepts of any programming language, not only C++. We've included tokens, keywords, identifiers, constants, operators. By clicking on this link, we can go back to the home page and click on Basics 2. This dives deeper into C++ as we've included the #include directive, standard input and output stream, the main function, endline, and comments in C++. Next, we go to the basics number 3, where we've included escape sequences, data types, and typecasting. After basics 3, you are eligible to appear for quiz 1. After answering the questions, you can press the submit button and you get your score along with a meme. Next up, we have conditionals 1, where we've included if else if, and now we can go back to the home page. Conditional 2 includes a switch case statement. After reading all of this information, you are eligible for quiz 2. Again, you get your score along with a meme. Next up, we have loops. In loops, we've included for loop, while loop, and do while loop. After these 3 loops, you are eligible for quiz 3. Where you get your score and a meme. After going back to the home page, you can click on functions, where we've included function definition, how to invoke a function in C++, including call by value and call by reference. And after this, you're eligible for quiz 4. Where you get your score and a meme. Finally, we have classes and objects, where we've included classes, how to declare a class, how to use objects, and after this, you can go to quiz 5. Where you get your score and a meme. After going back to the home page, you are finally eligible for the ultimate quiz. This is a very long quiz, where we've included concepts from basics 1 all the way up to classes and objects. Where you once again get your score, which is out of 225, and a meme. And finally, we go back to the home page.
A website like this is a very useful stepping stone into the world of programming for the student community, as well as people like stay-at-home moms or dads and people from a rural background who would like to bring their ideas to life. Thank you.